Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your floor jack in a 2011 Ford Explorer. So you get started by opening this up by twisting the middle part. This will loosen the entire system. Remove it and set aside. This section seems stuck, but it's not. You're gonna have to use this nut over here, twist it to loosen the entire system. This may take a few tries. So you're just removing this hook out of this hole, and then you're just pulling this off to loosen it completely. If you turn sideways, it should come loose, just like that. You're gonna need it, so set it aside. Undo your straps, which are right here. And then you can pull this out completely. And that is how you remove your floor jack. Now to put it back, it is a little trickier. I'm making this video to show you an easy way to do this. I'm gonna try to explain it the best way I can because it was difficult to put back. So this is exactly how you want your floor jack to look. To put this back in, it needs to be at this angle. So whenever you get done using it, it may be at an angle that looks more like this, and that's not going to fit in there. So what you have to do is, if you put this top part right here into this styrofoam piece and use the nut on the side to get it to the angle it needs to be, you'll see that it has a perfect fit once you get it there. So there it is. That's the angle you want it to be at. Once you do this, this is the trickiest part to me. So this may look like this when you get done using it. You're gonna fold this back in. You'll see on the bottom side, this comes in and out. You can just push this in completely. You're gonna make sure that this right here meets up with this groove, this notch that's sticking out. So just like that. And then you're gonna turn this to where this hook on this will go in this hole. So you want this hook right here to go into this hole. Now it may not automatically go in, kind of like mine. So what you're gonna have to do, use this nut to adjust it. Until it pops in there. All right, so mine just popped in there. And now you want to go the opposite way to just kind of tighten it up. So you're going to be doing a lot of adjusting with this nut over here. So now that that's in, you're going to put this top piece back in, which will go right in the middle. You may have to move this up or lower down to get it to where it needs to be. And you're just sliding this, turning this to tighten it up. All right, it's in there.